Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your phone. If your phone shows up as iPhone in the cart, let's fix that in 20 seconds. First, you're going to tap Settings, and then you're going to tap General. You'll probably have to scroll down a little bit. And then you're going to tap About. And then see where it says iPhone 3 for the name? You're going to tap on that. And then you're going to type the new name. And then tap Done. And that's it. So that was the best and easiest way I know how to change your iPhone name. And if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video.